Hi, my name's Alyssa, and you have found my YouTube channel, Super Calilistic. I'm here in Los Angeles, and we are still wearing masks, and I think we will be for a while. Things are starting to open up, hiking trails, golf courses. Some businesses are doing pickup, and you have to wear your mask. So we are addressing mask issues today. My mom just arrived for Mother's Day, yay! And she brought a mask from her home that one of her neighbors made for her, and it's gorgeous. A lot of people are sewing them. It's reversible, it's so great. Look how cute with the little peace symbols. And we're addressing how do you wear it with your hair down. You don't want to have to keep tying it around your head. So we're gonna share with you this technique of knotting it and putting it around your ears. Okay, so here's Gaga. Yay, welcome Gaga. Okay, so we're just gonna take you through how we're doing this. When you take your mask, you put it on your face and you loosely pinch the two strands together where you wanna make your knot. You knot the two strands into one knot, like so. You pull it through, you wrap it around and pull it through. Do it loosely, so if you have to adjust it, it's not hard to undo the knot. And you will have to do this depending on, the width of your face, so you can adjust it according to the size of your own face. Once your mask is fitted to your face, you should be good to go, and you will not have to do this again until you wash it. If you want to wash, I like to wash and iron our masks just to keep them looking neat. My husband, he wads his up in his pocket. He does not care if he has a wrinkly mask, so it just depends on your own personal preference and style. So first, we're going to put this over her ear. We're gonna watch the earring there. I just tucked it behind her ear, and then I'm gonna move to the other side. I'm not pulling on you, right?
No.
Is it feeling tight?
No, it's fine.
Okay, great. Now, if you could turn around and lift your hair up, and then if you guys can see this, I'm just gonna gently tie this. Does it feel too tight?
No.
So that way it secures it a little bit more, and you don't have loose ends flying around behind your ears. So just like that, nice and easy. She's gonna let her hair down, and voila!
Cool,
She's ready to go.
it.
And then that way, see, you don't have the tie up around your head restricting your beautiful flowing locks.
Whatever.
Mine could stand to be a little tighter, but it works. So I did the same thing. You can see I knotted it, and then I tied it loosely in the back. And then to finish the look, we're gonna put on our Super Cali shades.
Oh.
Oh la la. We look so freaky. There's nothing cool about this. Like, I keep trying to make this cool, but it's just not cool. But
I can't
here
breathe.
we are, 2020. We're going out to Knott's Berry Farm tomorrow for the chicken to go.
This is so
I'll
weird.
put the link somewhere up
I
here.
literally can't see.
Well, you need your glasses.
I know, I got.
Bye.